Hi and welcome to the last tutorial of this exciting lesson, Vanajakshi Varnam, Aidala Varnam, set in Major Kalyani Raga. In my previous tutorials, part 1, 2 and 3, I taught you the Swaram, the entire Swaram of Varnam. This time, in this part 4, I will be teaching you the Sahityam. So see, if you're not okay with the Swaram part, first learn that. Then only you can play Sahityam very easily, otherwise you might get confused. Okay, let's start Pallavi first. Vanajakshi. Here, Vanajakshi, that's one phrase. Vanajakshi. Swaram. Sa 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 ni da ni sa ni ni ro da da pa ma i vi ra ga ma pa da ni da ha mor ri sa ni da pa ma ga ma pa da ni Amor vane. In one stretch it goes like this. Vanajakshi ro ivira amor vane. Then next line. Sari gari sani so sari sani devu ri sani da ni da ni. Swaram and Sahityam is just the same. Todi sani da pa ma Teve Gama Padani. In one stretch. Vasu Devu Ni Todi Deve. That's Pallavi. Then the Anupallavi. Veena Pamagarida Avenaga Gada Pamagarisani Avenaga Pura Sarigama Muna. Here. Gama pa gama ni da ni pa Muna. In one stretch. Veena Venaga Pura Muna. Then the next line. Vena Dani Sari You Sariga Sauda Sarigari Sari Dani Raya Dagari Sani da Ra Sani da Pama Juni Gama Padani. In one stretch. Vela you then Sauda Raya Ra Juni. Then as always, Chitaswaram will not be having any Sahitya, only Charana will be having. Charana Swaras, no Sahitya. Charanam. Nilu Ni Sada Upa Upa Sanida Upa Nilu Pa Pa Da Pa Ma Pa Ra Ga Ma Ra Ni Pa Moha Ma Pa Da Ni Pa Moha Ma Ye Da Ni Da Ri Sa Ma Ye. In one stretch, Nilu Pa Ra Ni Moha Ma Ye. But see, if you are cutting it into small pieces like this, then it will not give the correct meaning. This is Telugu language, and Telugu language should be having a meaning. Every language should have a meaning. So when you're singing, it should have a meaning, and for that, phrasing must be really correct. From the beginning, Pallavi. Vanajakshi ro e viraha morvane. That's the phrasing. Vanajakshi. Even the Telugu guy won't understand what. So, makes sense when you're singing. Vanajakshi ro e viraha morvane. Then only that lyrics will be having a sense, a meaning. Vanajakshi ro e viraha morvane. Then Vasudevuni Todi Deve. There actually you can sing like Vasudevuni Todi Deve or Vasudevuni Todi Deve. Vasudevuni. I didn't take enough breath. Let me give it one more time. Or if you're running out of breath, you can sing like like that also. Is that Anupallavi? It is not vi, na, ve, na, ga, pura, muna. That's not the way. Vinave, naga, pura, muna. But see, there are a lot many dirgham in between vi and na and ve. But no other choice. You should sing that in one stretch. Vina ve naga pura muna. Then only it will be having a meaning. Vinave naga pura muna. The next line. It is not Vela, you, Soundarya, Soundarya, Ra, Ju, Ni, not like that. Vela, you, Soundarya, Ra, Ju, Ni. Vela, you, Soundarya. Let me sing that in one stretch. That was not good. Vela, you stop. Saundaraya Rajuni. Velayu Saundarya Rajuni. Okay, that's the Anupallavi. Then Charana. There it is not Nilu Pa Ra Ni Moha Maye. That's not the way. Nilu Pa Rani Moha Maye. Nilu Pa Rani Moha Maye. Let me sing that again in one stretch. Nilu Pa Rani Moha Maye. That's how you should be phrasing. Then only Telugu, the meaning will be revealed. So that's the end of this lesson, the tutorial of Vanajakshi Adidala Varnam set in major Kalyani Ragam. Keep on practicing, and I hope this was really a beneficial one for you all. And if you have got any suggestions or opinions, you can post them as comments. I will be responding to that as soon as I get to know of those notifications. So till then, we meet in my next tutorial. It's bye.